Today I'm sharing our favorite finger-friendly appetizers. Up first, pizza bombs. To make the dough for the pizza bombs, I just use 1 cup of plain non-fat Greek yogurt and 1 cup of flour. Combine those together, divide into 12 individual rolls, and then flatten each roll out. Inside each piece of dough, I place 1 pepperoni, a pinch of mozzarella cheese, and a pinch of Parmesan cheese. Then you just kind of fold the sides together and pinch them so that it seals completely, and then turn them over so they're in a little ball. Then I use 2 tablespoons of melted butter mixed with about a teaspoon of garlic powder, and I brush that over the top. I bake them at 380 for 12 minutes. These are so nice and crunchy on the outside and yet warm and gooey on the inside. And then because there's no pizza sauce, we use pizza sauce on the side as a dipping sauce. Another huge favorite is popcorn chicken in the air fryer. Dice up some chicken breasts or chicken tenders. Then in a gallon-sized Ziploc bag, combine 1 cup milk, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon pepper, 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika. Mix it all up and then add the diced chicken and let it marinate for at least 4 hours or even overnight. When your chicken is finished marinating, mix up the breading. 1½ cups flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. Put that into another Ziploc baggie, then remove the chicken tenders from the marinade and toss it around in that flour mixture. I think the easiest way to remove that extra flour from the chicken tenders is just to put them in a colander. Shake that extra flour off, spray some olive oil into the bottom of your air fryer, pop the chicken into the air fryer and spread it out so that none of the pieces are overlapping. Bake at 370 degrees for 5 minutes, then give them a turn and cook them for another 5 to 8 minutes. In the comments, let me know how they turned out for you. Thanks for watching.
Dang, I could snack on those all night.